and welcome to our channel Jora Blogs, and today's video is about onion rings. For this weather climate, every day it's raining, so we thought, why don't we make onion rings? Uh, yeah, so let's make onion rings with limited ingredients, very easy to make. So please do watch the complete video to know the recipe. Let's get into the video. For onion rings, we need 2 large onions. As larger the onion is, the good you'll get your onion rings. Alright, so I'll just show you how to cut. Better have a sharp knife, that is when you'll get good slices of your onion. I'm just gonna give about ½ inch. Yeah. See how the pieces have come up. So this is how we need to slice and separate. And you can see the thickness. If it is at least this much, you would get a proper onion rings, and that is when all the breadcrumbs and the batter will get stuck onto it. I'm sorry, I broke this. That's okay. And this one, what you can do is keep it this way. So that we don't have to waste. We can make another set of onion rings with that. So I have separated each layer like this. So this is how you can get, and don't waste these small pieces. You can use it for your curry or any other purpose that you have your onion rings. Okay, so this is how I've cut and separated each layers. Alright, so next I will just show you how to make batter for your onion rings. Now we're making batter for onion rings. So I've taken 1 cup of maida, that's all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna add a little bit, about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Salt according to your taste, how much you need it. I've added 1 teaspoon of it. I'm adding ½ teaspoon of soda, that is cooking soda. Okay, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano. One teaspoon of mixed herbs. I'm adding ginger garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add a little more extra. And chili flakes is optional. If you want to increase the spice level, you can add, if not, you can avoid this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of chili flakes for the extra spice. And here I have black salt. I'm gonna crush few pinches in them. Yeah. And I'm gonna add some pepper. So adding about ½ teaspoon of pepper. So I added about ½ teaspoon of pepper powder, and now I'm gonna add some water, and be very cautious with water because we don't want it very watery. Add little by little. We need a thick consistency so that the batter can glue onto the onion rings. Even if you feel, if you have added excess of water and you don't know what to do, you can add a little bit of maida and make the consistency fine. So not to worry about that. You see this consistency? It has to be a little thicker so that it can coat your onions better. And that is when you'll get complete coating on your onion. If it is too liquidy, an onion it's something like a non-stick pan type, so it will just all the batter will go into the oil but won't stick onto the onion. Alright, so let's get into the making of onion rings. We have everything ready here. So I'm having plain maida, that is all-purpose flour, the batter that we mixed, and this is breadcrumbs. So first what we have to do is dust your onion in this batter. In the maida, all-purpose flour. Okay, once you have dusted like this, coat it up, dip it nicely, shake off the extra batter that you have on it, fry it into the breadcrumbs. So here make sure you coat the onion well. Okay, once I have that coated, I've taken it out, shake the extra breadcrumbs, and I plate it here. Alright, so I'm gonna use my hand for this. Better way than other things. It slow down the process. The dusted goes into the batter, dip it nice thorough, shake off the extra batter so that you don't get the uneven shape. And before you do this, make sure that you whisk the batter once, the coating. Okay, I'm doing this. So it's a lot of rings to go on, so I'll complete this and get back to you guys once I have plated. When I deep fry, we will come back to the video. I have coated the onion rings with the breadcrumbs and the batter here. So now I have oil on medium flame. So do not keep the oil flame on too high or low. Too high would burn the onion rings and too low would make it soggy. So let it be in medium so that we can get a good crispy texture and golden texture as well. I think it's about the onion, the oil is good, nice hot. So I'm just going to drop the onion rings gently, slowly. If you drop it too hard, the coating will come off. And be very gentle with it. If not, all the coating is gonna come out of the onion. Wait until it turns golden brown. Alright, it's almost done. If you notice, it has that golden brown finish to it, and you can feel the crispiness when you move the onion on this. Yeah, it is almost done, so I'm gonna take it out. Let's dip out excess of oil and serve it hot and crispy, because the more you wait, the more colder it gets, it becomes soggy. So always eat it hot when it is crispy. So what I'll just finish with the rest of the batch and be right back with you guys in the next few minutes. Robin, so we have the onion rings ready here, and please do taste and let me know how it is.
Okay, so this is your onion rings that you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Just check. Wow. Looks nice, crispy. Okay, let's have a bite and tell the verdict of it, okay? Crunchy as well. Also, it's crispy, and at each bite you take, it's crunchy.
Yeah.
Man, it's tasty. Guys, better try it out. It's really good. And the onion flavor of this batter is extremely nice. I like it. It's kind of delicious.
Mixed with all the herbs, and so it gives a different, unique flavor.
Good, guys. Really nice. So, Josh, congratulations.
So I think you're gonna finish everything. So I'll take
Yeah,
one
it's
piece
so
of it,
delicious.
so you guys can see how it looks.
Can't stop munching. Feel like having more and more. Very good. Pat on your back. Good. Awesome
Thank you.
job.
For this weather, it's a must try. A snack at home. Or everybody would like it. Onion rings, even kids and elderly person. Everybody would definitely love this. With a cup of chai or coffee, amazing combination. So please do try this and let us know how it came out in the comment section.
Yes, please.
Watch Lord of the Rings with onion rings.
Yeah, new series come out, right?
Yeah,
Web
Lord of
series.
the Rings with onion rings. And please do let us know in the comments how it is. And please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos
Thank you.
and the updates. Thank you.